Hi guys, this is Anjali bringing a reading for Virgo, and this is going to be a monthly reading for October 2020. And guys, this is a general reading, so please take it as it resonates. And it may not resonate with everybody out there, so please take the positives and leave the negative. And energies can be vice versa. So this this is my channel, man. This is a new channel, and I would really appreciate if you could help me subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me now on Instagram and in Facebook. All right, and let's start. Right, let's start with your reading, Virgo. Messages for Virgo for October 2020. Have faith in your dreams. Waxing crescent moon. All right. This means that there is some kind of dreams, or you might be focusing on your dreams, or this also says that you should be focusing on your dreams, and you need to have complete belief in your dreams that it may come, come towards you. All right. Now let's see messages for Virgo. So trust on your dreams and trust on the process. Okay, that it might be you might be feeling stuck right now, right? But trust, believe, have faith. Okay. Messages for Virgo, please. Messages for Virgo. What are the messages for Virgo? Messages for Virgo. The energy is gaining momentum. All right, waxing moon. All right, so I really feel that the things are gonna move forward. All right, don't let your past hold you back. South moon. So you clearly saying that do not get stuck in your past. Move forward. So I really feel that you're moving from a past situation into something beautiful, something new, right? Related to your dreams. All the best. Messages for Virgo. Messages for Virgo, please. Messages for Virgo. Messages for Virgo. Nothing is yet set in stone. So it clearly says that the outcome might change because it's all according to you, right? So I really feel that this is like a journey here. So nothing is set in stone. You can move. There is some kind of changes coming towards you, all right? Now, Virgo, let's start. Ace of Swords here. So there might be some kind of decision being made here. There was triumph or recognition. I really even feel that you might have cut off unwanted people, or there is some kind of success coming towards you. With the Six of Pentacles, I feel that there is success coming towards you, bringing that stability back into your life. Six of Pentacles, Stars, Virgo, Capricorn. Uh, this is this might be even about an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. So there is some kind of success in a situation, bringing some kind of equal give and take in a situation here. All right. Then we have Two of Swords here. So there is indecision here. Somebody is not sure. The other person might not be sure. This is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. They might be feeling they might have other options, and they do not know which option to take or which road to take. Now we have the Queen of Pentacles saying it's clearly bringing some kind of stability into your life. There is stability money wise here, materialistic things here, mature energy, that's your energy. Now we have the Queen of Swords here. It's you and an Aquarius, Libra, or Gemini here. What's happening? Queen of Swords. So it looks like somebody made a decision, right? I saw the world, so somebody might have ended a situation here with you guys. All right. Are you stuck on somebody here? Yeah, of course, definitely. I feel that there is some kind of reconciliation coming towards you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This might be somebody you have some kind of a fight or some kind of an ending with. They might have cut you off, or you might have. And there is reconciliation here because I really feel that there was some kind of a Nine of Pentacles. Stability coming into your life with the Nine of Pentacles. Five of Cups. Okay. There was some kind of a loss here. You might have had some kind of a fallout with this person here. And the Page of Wands here. Alright. So I really feel that this might be you contacted them or the other way around. But I really feel that there was a decision being made to bring that clarity or that stability back into your life. But not sure. You might not be sure about this. You might not know how to move forward. But there is stability coming into your life with the Queen of Pentacles. This is more mature energy. This is materialistic stuff, or you might be in a place where you're settled financially. All right. Then we have the Queen of Wands again making a decision here. Somebody has made a decision here to reconcile, right? To make that getting together or coming back together here. And with the Nine of Pentacles, it's all about talking about stability. or you might feel that this person might bring that stability back into your life. And we have the Five of Cups here, but you might be, or they might be more focused on that loss, or what's surrounding that loss here, right? But I really feel that with the Page of Wands, there is a new opportunity here. There is a new fresh start. This is coming back together again. I really feel that you are listening to your inner voice, or you have this passion for this person and this love for this person, but you are not in talking terms here, which is putting you in the back burner. I really feel that you might not be sure how to, talk to this person, or you might not be even sure about how to get this thing going on. There is reconciliation here, okay? But I really feel that you need to, step up and do the work. Yeah, Queen of Swords. Yeah, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Somebody is making a decision. Somebody is being true to themselves. This is like somebody's staying true to their roots here. All right, making a decision, being very strong and strong in their thoughts. Actually, now participation. This is coming back together, or this is like participating. This is the Four of Wands energy is coming back together. Celebration here, and we have the Swords here, Ace of Fire here, which means that there is passion here. This might be starting off something new here. You might be even feeling like they have made a decision, and I really feel that, or you might be wanting to make a decision to get together, and there is a passionate new beginning here. Take it as it resonates, guys. Now the Queen of Cups here with receptivity. This is like you need to be open, all right, to the chance of accepting this love or accepting things as it is. So there is a new opportunity here, bringing that receptivity back into your life with the Queen of Cups. More mature, loving, caring nature here. All right, this is all about deep understanding here with the receptivity card here. Messages for Virgo, please. Messages for Virgo. Change. We have change here. So there looks like an ending and a starting of a cycle here. So there is changes coming towards you. We have Seven of Cups as well, so which means that there are projections here. You might be thinking multiple options here, or you might be choosing from multiple options here with the Seven of Cups. This might be even multiple people, multiple jobs, or this might be even something related to love, or this might be how to get together with the person you love. Six of Cups. So you might feel that this is the one, this person is the one, or this might be holding on to your dreams, or how to make this work, because you have multiple options here. You might be finding multiple, you might be putting on a strategy here how to go about it, because you are making like options here, 1 2 3 4, or maybe with 7 options here, and you do not know how to get about, with the Six of Cups. I will feel that this is might be even a soulmate. All right, this might be, you might be seeing them in your dreams, or this might be about your dreams, how to fulfill your dreams. This might be reconciliation as well. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, and the water energy. So much of love, guys. I think you should tell them how you feel, if that's what it is. Conditioning. There is awakening here. You might be understanding things more. You might be softening a bit. You might have been very. Somebody was rude in this situation. I don't know. Somebody was really headstrong here, and somebody cut the other person off. And I really feel that this time apart has put has brought a softness to you, or you might be conditioning your thoughts here. All right, yeah, past life energy. So your ancestors are guiding you, or this might be you having a relationship with a past life person here. Queen of Wands here, Queen of Fire here. There is passion here. There is passion, determination. There is playful energy here. So you might be sharing here. So this might be sharing your past life energy here, or that there is sharing here, because this is like deep rooted understanding here coming towards you. There is a Nine of Swords here, which means that there is difficulty, there is anxiety, pain, and sorrow here, and possibilities. You might be thinking about possibilities, or you might be having some kind of a decision to make. So you know what's happening. This is all happening inside your head, I'm for sure, right? But I really feel that you do not need to get stuck in your past. You need to move forward, right? I really feel that you might be stuck because you do not know how to go about it. I really feel that's how it is. So this anxiety and pain will go away once you realize what you really want to do. Make a decision and don't let your past hold on to you. Now, messages for Virgo, please. Messages for Virgo. What are the messages for Virgo? Answer the call. So what is your soul calling you to do? It's all about your inner thoughts and wisdom. You need to know what keeps you happy, what brings the happiness into your life. Now, pillar of light. the vibration is rising. You are the oracle. So I really feel that you are in alignment. You are in alignment with the divine. So I really feel that the answer is a yes. Just say yes. So I really feel that the answer to your question is yes. So if you are thinking about moving, together with this person, you should be doing it, because I really feel that this is a person for you. Or if you feel that this is an opportunity, your job, or something which you're really passionate about, the answer is yes. You need to just say yes. All right. Believe in the divine, because you are in alignment with the divine. There is, your vibration is rising. You are in touch with your soul. Okay, excuse me. You are in touch with your divine, and I really feel that you are awakening from inside. I really feel that this conditioning card talks a lot. I really feel that you're understanding things more clearly now. All right. Now let's get some Lenormand and finish off your reading. All right, there was somebody who's having a bad temper here with the 11. So I really feel that this is somebody who's having so much of temper, which is bringing some kind of mountain and the park here. So I really feel that this temper has brought some kind of um, obstacles here, right? You might have met this person in a social setting, or you might you want to go about it, but there is some kind of obstacles here. You might feel that this temper, or you might feel that somebody's going to get angry here. I really feel that this temper is putting an obstacle here. You are angry about something which is standing between you and this person here. So you might be connecting with each other, or might have had connected with each other through a social site, or this might be like there is an obstacle between you meeting here. Most probably it's your temper here. All right, there's an institution, compass, and the snake. All right, so you might feel that this person is not being truthful to you. So you feel that there is some kind of somebody's not being truthful to yourself. So you might feel that there is a movement towards a more stable situation with the compass and the institution. But I really feel that this might be about you building that stability. All right, you want to move towards that stability, bringing that stability into your life, but there's so much of obstacles here. And you might feel that this person is not telling you the truth. They are going behind your back. There is some kind of surprise element. You might feel that this person is not telling you the truth. There is temptation here. I can feel that there is temptation here for you to move forward and talk to them, but I really feel that you are holding yourself back here in this institution, because I mean in this situation, because I really feel that you are still angry with what has happened. I really feel that you need to move on, guys. It's not good for your health or for them. So I really feel that if you feel that there is some kind of obstacle in the direction where you're going, both of the cards which in the middle are the mountain and the compass. So there is a direction, which direction to go, but there are obstacles because we have 11 here, the breach, right? So I really feel that this card talks about some kind of temper here. All right, so I really feel that you need to work on that. All right, so guys, this is your message for October 2020. I really hope you resolve your issues and bring some kind of clarity into your thoughts. All right, so guys, that's your message for October 2020. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.